Hello guys, welcome to the channel. The nice people over at DocSmart sent this 8-inch chainsaw out here, battery operated. So we're looking at the DocSmart. It's got email support at docsmart.net. So let's see what's inside the box. So inside this nice hard case, we have the instruction manual. Comes with a set of gloves, an extra spare chain, a couple tools with a file for sharpening. We have the 8-inch chainsaw. Has a chain guard on here, flexible chain guard. It also comes with a handle so that you can get two-handed support, which I highly recommend to give you stability. We get safety glasses, and of course it comes with a battery. So it just slides on right here. You have a oiler up here. You have to take this off, put some oil in here, pump the bulb, get a little bit of oil on your chain. You got a safety here. Clicks in, clicks out, just like most. So it locks the trigger, unlocks the trigger, and you're ready to go. We had storm damage from the recent Hurricane Helene.
I lost the avocado tree.
And it broke my wife's tree. This is her avocado tree. She grew it from the seeds and it grew up to be very tall. Now we got to chop it up. 8-inch battery operated chainsaw is so handy for the garden. We're going to cut this tree up into pieces, and we ordered a shredder. We're going to make mulch out of it. But let's just see how it cuts the branches. We'll start right here. It makes it very easy. How fast is that? And this is a pretty good size tree here. So this is what's left of my wife's avocado tree. We've only got, it broke off at the very top and took the whole top off of the tree. We only have this one branch that's left. So we're just gonna clean up this top edge here. And because this is so small, light, and portable, it makes it easy to do the little stuff. And I think that about does it. There's just this ragged edge right here that broke off, and I think that's gonna do it. We gotta leave this other stuff. We got a live twig coming off the branch here. Hopefully this one's got some leaves, and hopefully this damaged portion will survive. Time will tell about that. But the DocSmart portable chainsaw with the 8-inch blade really gets the job done, quick. You can tell I'm already sweating. Florida, high humidity, high heat, and you don't want to spend much time in the garden. Catch you guys on the next one.